Hello guys, welcome to Software Design. Today I want to teach you how to achieve this kind of text effect. And for this, if you don't know where to download this, you can download this on FreePic. This is the PSD file. You can download it. I have a video on how to get resources. You can download from Graphics Family. You can download from the FreePic. You can download from. I think there's one other. This is, and your inspirations can come from Pinterest as well. Then, to achieve this, first you go to your corridor. Let's say, we want to use this name, software designs. Then let's change the font. You can change the font to any font of your choice. Let's break it, rearrange it. Let it fit like this, something like. I want to use this, so group it, export it as PNG. Export. Let's see as PNG. Come here, change the format to PNG, and say you want to export. That is mockup. Let's name it text effect. Text effect. Then say export. The PNG format is going as without background like this. Click on OK. Then go to your Photoshop. Where is it? Then from here, go to find your layers. You see your mockup here. You see your text effect is asking your design. Place your design here. Double click here. Open. You can see this heart. Then you replace your design. Look at your mockup that you did. Your text effect. Look at it here. Carry it, and then bring it here. Drop. Resize it. Meanwhile, close the previous one that is there. Close this. Scale it up. Like this. Then from here, click here. Then Ctrl S to save. It's showing here. Save. Then go back to your file. You see that it has changed to that given text effect like this. You can do this numerous with different text. Once you save and change, it will automatically change like this. Thank you, and subscribe for more updates.